What if I told you that I got you the best price per square foot compared to the competition in the same area? And what if I told you that from the ground floor, you can see full view of Burj Khalifa? And what if I told you that this developer is literally getting you your future tenant, your future buyer of your apartment right at your doorstep? And what if I told you that this project is right next to a metro station that is one of the busiest and most demand commercial areas? We are today introducing SOL LUXE right next to Financial Center metro station in its details, in its best amenities, in its best views. Today, the video will explain all about SOL LUXE, their latest project on Sheikh Zayed Road. You've seen me before speaking about SOL and about their 50 years of experience building the foundation of real estate in Dubai, working with giants in terms of the development in Dubai. And now with their latest project, SOL LUXE, they are getting all of this experience summarized in a building that will be third of it commercial spaces, offices and retails. The 2/3 of it will be ultra luxurious residences, and right next to the Financial Center metro station. Let's speak about the design of the building. The design of the building is consisting of 3 capsules. The first capsule is up to the 25th floor. From the ground is offices. But when we say offices, right now, if you check in the market, all the offices are either you buy the full floor or at least half a floor, and the ticket is really high. Here, from the first floor up to the 10th floor, you can buy 1 out of 4 offices per floor. Then it goes up where you can buy half floor or 1 of 2 offices per floor. And then up to the 25th floor, you can buy only full floor of offices. This gives you the flexibility according to your budget into investing in commercial units in this building. And when we are saying commercial units, we are talking about A++ commercial units. We are talking about the next big thing in Dubai. As you might have seen on my YouTube channel, that I have been talking about the immigration that is happening to Dubai. We have millionaires, billionaires, centimillionaires who are immigrating to Dubai. Those people, they don't come and sit and play tennis and do nothing all their day. They open businesses. Wherever they go, they come with big money and they open businesses. And when they are opening businesses, they need offices for their companies. And that's what's happening right now. A++ offices are scarce in the market. Retail spaces are very rare in the market. Especially, you are right next to the Financial Center of Dubai, which is not going anywhere. On the contrary, the demand is increasing and increasing with the boom that is happening in Dubai. And you are right next to the metro station. So even if you have people who are working in the office and they don't have a car, metro station is dropping them right next to their work. So we have A++ offices and people who are working in these offices, okay? Their salaries will be high because the companies that they are working in are A++, so they can afford to rent in this location. Now, what we are providing for the people who are working here, we are providing mini golf, we are providing gym, we are providing outdoor spaces, lounges, and a lot of amenities that you will see right now on the screen. The entrance of the commercial space is mind-blowing, is unbelievable. These offices will be sold as shell and core for sure, and the height of the ceiling net is around 3.6 meters to 3.7 meters. Now, up the 26 and 27 are merged together to provide double height amenity space here on the 26th and 27th floor. Now, from the 28th floor, we start getting the residential apartments. In the residential apartments, which you will see right now on the screen, you have different views. We have this corner that has full view towards Burj Khalifa. We have here 2 bedrooms apartment that are also having Burj Khalifa. The corner here has a 2+ study apartment, which is having partial Burj Khalifa and Museum of the Future. So all the views are amazing. Now from this side, we have apartments that started from 1.9 million dirhams, moving upwards, that are 1 bedroom, that have Sheikh Zayed Road and Museum of the Future partially. And here there is also, to this corner, partially the sea view. We move to the back, we have all open view towards the sea and Burj Al Arab. So your view is not interrupted at all. Zero interruption for your sea view. So you get the sunset, you get Burj Al Arab view. It's really a nice view that you will be getting. Also from this side, you will be getting partial Burj Khalifa and Burj Al Arab. So the views are amazing. Right here, there is a street in between the building and the other plot. So the view is open, it's far. If you can see on this map, the way they put the relative sizes are accurate, and the building right here, as you can see in front of it in a straight line, it's open view towards Burj Khalifa. If you put even Google Maps right in front of the plot, you will see in the street view, you will see Burj Khalifa from the ground floor. Now we move further. After the amenities floors, we have 2 floors, double height of amenities. We have golf simulator, we have mini golf, we have indoor gym, we have business lounge or a co-working space, and we have outdoor observation area where you can enjoy the views of Burj Khalifa if you don't have the view towards Burj Khalifa. In this capsule, we have 10 units per floor between 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedrooms. If we go further, we have the 2 bedroom and 3 bedrooms only, and the views from the apartments from any area are unbelievably beautiful. Now we go from the 45th up to the 61st floor. They enjoy amazing views to the rest of the city. It's open views. And then on the 62nd floor, we have the pool, that is infinity pool, enjoying the views towards Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, and the sea. And we have also kids pool and many other amenities that you will see on the screen. Now, this building is unique because it doesn't have competition in the area that is building in. The price per square foot in this building compared to the residential buildings that are in that area is way better than the competition at the same level of luxury that we are talking about. The price per square foot for rent in this offices, it's not going to be below 650 dirhams for rent per square foot. And we are talking about the pessimistic side of rentals. You are right next to financial center where literally there is no rent there. So you can imagine the demand. Access from Sheikh Zayed Road or from Jumeirah Garden City and Jumeirah Road is so much easy. Exit directly to Sheikh Zayed Road, also very easy. The project sits in a perfect location. Now, enough with the location, enough with who's your customers and how much returns on investment that you will be making in this amazing project. Let me show you what quality you can expect in this building and what layouts you will be seeing, what views you will be getting. Let's go. You might have seen this show apartment in my previous video when we talked about SOL Fairmont in downtown, but I want to show to the viewers who have not seen this show apartment before that this is the quality level that you can expect. It's just to show you the quality of the materials, the types of materials that you will be getting. It will be different colors that you will see right now in the video. Victoria will be generously putting for you a lot of renders, views, layouts, how you can get your property in SOL LUXE. As we said, high-end marble, very high quality materials. You can expect Siemens and Miele, and here they put Bosch. I believe it will be Siemens and Miele in SOL LUXE. A lot of storage spaces, cabinetry done on the highest level, as you can see, with like some aluminum frames tinted glass, beautiful LED inside. I'm not gonna go through the details because it's not an actual size or an actual layout. This is just to show the materials, and the finishings are unbelievable. One of the things that we were talking about, I was with a client just before we start shooting the video. One of the things that we were talking about is when you are doing flooring book match 4 pieces, is basically how they put it. This is for people who are working in marble or flooring. This is kind of a nightmare because you number each and every tile and then you lay them next to each other according to the numbering, so you can make sure in the end you will have the book match done. It's a book match and mirror match, so from both sides, right and left, down and up. This is perfection in finishing the details. It means that if you look at the whole picture, you will think that it's like a one slab of marble that is placed here. This is really another level of details. And SOL, as a developer and as a contractor who contributed to the legacy of Dubai into building infrastructure, building with huge names that are in the country, SOL never compromised before on the quality and on the details. Height of the ceiling is still to be confirmed, but it's either between 3.2 or 3.4, maybe 3.6 in some types of apartments. That will be in SOL LUXE. That will be confirmed later on. Before you sign anything, we will get you the confirmation on it. Let me take you into the bedrooms and show you what can you expect inside the bedrooms from quality of materials and quality of details. Let's go. Now, of course, before we start with the bedrooms, I need to tell you that everything in this house in SOL LUXE will be smart and controlled from either touchscreen or the tablet that you have, and even can be linked into your mobile apps. Really high-end materials on the flooring, hardwood. In terms of the prices and sizes of apartments and types of apartments that are available in this building, you will see it right now in the bottom end of the screen. You can pause the screen and look at it in details. Of course, in terms of the availability of that certain price, these are the starting prices. In terms of the availability of a certain price, that is related into when we are booking and what view we are getting, what size of apartment we are going with. All of this affects the price. Let me show you what type of quality you will get in the walk-in closet, in the cupboards area, and inside the bathroom. In terms of the walk-in closet or the semi-walk-in closet, depends on your layout, you can expect the highest level of quality. These materials are available in their show apartment. You can come, feel, touch, and sense the quality before you make any decision. This is what I'm trying to do with all my clients. Even when they are out of the country, I'm bringing the camera, making a Zoom call or a video call, and I'm zooming on each and every detail and making sure that they are making an informed decision. This is what you need to do when you are buying properties at this level or at any other lower level or similar level. This is the things that you need to be focusing on. Now we enter into the bathroom, and I just want to be silent and let you enjoy how beautiful is the marble here. As you can see, extremely high-end finishing in terms of the marble. The color of the marble will be different. You will see it now in the renders, but the quality of the finishings, the quality of the materials that they are using is the same. And here we head into, like you see, huge rain head shower, Duravit as well, German brand. The shower enclosure are done perfectly. A freestanding bathtub. It might be with a view, it might be in a closed bathroom, depends on the layout that you are going with. The water closet is separated, and here also you have very, very beautiful marble, and you have hidden light behind the mirrors. What is really exciting me so much about the project is technically the developer is bringing the clients right to your doorstep, because you have third of the building as offices, and it's A+++++ offices, because it's very high-end tower. So you can expect only high-end companies working in or renting in this building. And then their employees will be getting higher income, and they will be wanting to live in an ultra-luxurious tower. as SOL LUXE, and of course they don't want to stay away from their work so much. So this is a great option, getting you the views towards Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, open sea. Every time of the day, the views in this building are mesmerizing, are unbelievable and out of this world. Whether you are looking for the next big thing in Dubai, which is the commercial space, or you are looking for an ultra luxurious house, or you are looking for an apartment that you can flip and make a lot of appreciation on it, or I'm not saying the details because every apartment will have a different appreciation, depends on so many different factors, so we can discuss this when we meet. Or if you are looking for a project that you can put in your portfolio and get passive income from it. This project ticks majority of the boxes. This project is an icon on Sheikh Zayed Road, and such icons are really rare. So don't hesitate to contact me on my mobile number. It has WhatsApp as well, or you can contact me via email. My team speaks more than 10 languages. We are super happy to assist you shifting your business, your life and family into Dubai, or opening an investment in Dubai, starting with the Dubai real estate. SOL as a developer can cover all of the needs, whether it's affordable budget, extremely high-end budgets, and luxury. This developer got it all, in addition to a very long experience in the market. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, do all this amazing stuff. Help us to always bring you such amazing properties from the fantastic city of Dubai. See you.